Hello, my name is Inga. I'm a native speaker and a teacher. I'd like to help you learn Russian from beginner to advanced, step by step. Are you ready? Let's get going. The Russian alphabet has 33 letters. Repeat after me, please. A, B, В, Г, Д, Е, Ё, Ж, З, И, Й, short И, К, Л, М, Н, О, П, Р, С, Т, У, Ф, Х, Ц, Ч, Ш, Щ, Хацайн, И, Совцайн, Ю, Я. Okay. You already know 5 letters. These letters look and sound the same. Please repeat after me. A, O, K, M, T. Let's listen to the sound A like in car, O like in war, K like in kid, M like in mother, T like in 10. Let's say a few short words with these letters with the translation. Please repeat after me. Talk, кот, кто, тот, так, маг, как, мама, кто там? Okay. 9 letters look new but sound similar. Please repeat after me. Б, Г, Д, З, И, Л, П, Ф, Э. Let's listen sounds. B like in born, G like in go, D like in do, Z like in zero, E like in big, like in meat, L like in last, P like in port. like in face. E like in best. Let's say a few short words with these letters with a translation. Please repeat after me. Бак, гуси, дом, лифт, зал, да, факт, фото, это, кто это? Okay. 7 letters look same but sound different. Repeat after me, please. В, Н, Р, С, Х, У, Е. Let's listen to the sounds. V, like in voice. N, like in north. R, like in room. S, like in soon. H, like in house. U, like in book. Like in put. Ye, like in yet. Okay. Let's say a few short words with letters with the translation. Repeat after me, please. Вес, ветер, нос, сон, урок, суп, курс, муха, нет, хор. Okay. 10 letters look and sound different. Please repeat after me. Ё, Ж, Й. И short И. Ц, Ч, Ша, Ща, Ü, Ю, Я. Let's listen to the sound. Ё, like in your. Ж, like in garage, in pleasure. Й, like in boy. Ц, like in pizza. Ч, like in chair. Ш, like in fish. Щ, like in ship. Ü, like in crystal. Ю, like in you. Я, like in yard. Okay. Please. Ёлка, жук, май, цвет, часы, шар, щінок, сир, юбка, яма. Окей. Two letters don't have any sound. Soft sign and hard sign. Soft sign indicates the softness of a consonant sound. Repeat please after me. Уголь, мель, брать, конь. Let's compare. Please. Уголь, уголь, угол, мель, мел, брать, брат. You can see the meaning of the words has changed, okay? We can see the letters я, ё, е, ю in these words after soft sign and hard sign. Семья, семья. Please repeat after me. Семья. Я, я. We can hear y. Я. Семья. Съели. Съели. Е. И, е. Е, е. We can hear y after hard sign. Подъем. Подъем. Ё. О. We can hear y after hard sign. Льют. Льют. Ю. У. We can hear y after soft sign. Okay. The soft sign separates a soft consonant and a vowel. Семья. Семья. We can hear y after soft sign. Семя. Семя. We can't hear y. Польет. Польет. We can hear y after soft sign. Полет. Полет. We can't hear y. Okay. The hard sign separates a hard consonant and a vowel. Съели. Съели. We can hear y. Сели. Сели. We can't hear y. Подъем. Подъем. Пойдем. Пойдем. We can't hear y in this word. Okay? You can repeat these words after me many times, listening to the lesson again. Thank you. You did well today. See you later. Bye-bye.